Okay, who's having a reading class today? That is Kia, Khanak, Laksh, and Nivan. Okay, you all have a reading class today. Kia, Khanak, Laksh, and Nivan. And one more thing which I want to announce, that tomorrow is a color day. Okay, tomorrow we are going to celebrate a color day. So you have to get dress up in your favorite color. Okay, whatever your favorite color is, you have to dress up accordingly. Okay, and you have to keep,
My favorite color is pink.
yeah, you have to keep watercolors with you and brushes and some plates. Okay, you have to keep this thing ready. We are going to celebrate the color day tomorrow. You have to dress up on in your favorite color dress, watercolor with you, brushes for the using watercolor, and some plates. Okay, now let's start with our topic today. As we have learned and we are learning about animals, so to what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn about animals which are endangered. Means they are very less in number nowadays. Okay, so we have to save the animals. If we will save the animals, we will save the environment. So I'm sharing you the screen. We can start with that, and then afterwards we will do the activity.
And then we are
Yes,
going to
Pavitra?
make tiger. We are going to make tiger with it.
Yes, we are going to make tiger.
Uh, straight sticks.
Yes, we are going to make tiger, Khanak. So, as all animals, we have to save all animals, but we have to save tiger first. Okay? Because tiger is very important to save the.
Tiger is national animal.
Yes. So, let's learn about the tigers in detail. As Ayash informed, tiger is our national animal. Okay? Tiger is our national animal. Then we have already learned the babies of the tiger are called cubs. Okay? The babies of the tiger are called cubs. And apart from that, we can, I don't know whether you know it or not, but you know there are different types of tigers. Okay? They look like the same, but they have a different types.
White
Some are,
tiger is
yes,
number one.
this is a white tiger, and we can see very less number of white tigers are there now. So there are white tigers, royal tigers, Bengal tigers. There are different types of tigers, and nowadays the number of tigers are decreased day by day. Okay, so this is a white tiger. I don't know
White
whether have you seen
tiger.
ever the white tiger?
Sundaram.
Shlok, please mute your microphone. No, because nowadays we can't see white tiger. There are very less number left of white tigers.
Tiger.
Yes. Now, before there were about 40,000 tigers. Okay, पहले कितने tigers हुआ करते थे? 40,000 tigers are there in the world. But now, only 3,900 tigers are left in the world. Okay, पहले कितने थे? 40,000. Now only nearby 4,000 are left. Okay, only 10% of tigers are left. तो अभी जो numbers of tigers है वो बहुत ही कम होती जा रही है डे बाय डे. क्यों कम होती जा रही है? We have to save the tigers. Why to save the tigers? क्यों tigers को हमको save करना है? Because tigers help us to maintain the food chain. I will tell you what is the food chain and how we have to maintain the food chain. इवन बहुत लोग जो टाइगर्स का हंटिंग करते हैं जस्ट फॉर देयर हॉबी, आप देखते होगे जंगल में कई लोग लेके जाते हैं जो हंटिंग करने के लिए. दे यूज टू हंट द टाइगर, दे यूज टू किल द टाइगर. व्हाई दे आर किलिंग द टाइगर? Just for their personal use. They are using the skin of the tiger, okay, for many reasons. And some of them are just hunting as an hobby. They just want to kill the animals, and that is just they want to shoot with the gun and they want to just kill the tiger. नॉट ओनली टाइगर, वी कैन सी मेनी एनिमल्स. एलिफेंट को भी काफी लोग मार देते हैं. वाई? टू यूज देयर टीथ. एलिफेंट के जो टीथ होते हैं ना, वो बहुत यूजफुल होते हैं, इसकी वजह से वो एलिफेंट को मार देते हैं, राइनो को मार देते हैं, टाइगर्स को मार देते हैं, जस्ट टू यूज द स्किन. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट गुड. वी शुड नॉट किल एनी ऑफ द लिविंग बींग्स. ओके, नॉट ओनली टाइगर्स बट वी शुड सेव ऑल द एनिमल्स. जितने भी एनिमल्स है सबको हमको सेव रखना है, सबको बचाना है. आपको कोई मार देगा या अगर मैम को कोई, मतलब कोई भी किसी को भी मार देगा, डू यू लाइक इट? Nobody will like, right? So they are also a living being. We can't kill anyone. Now here you can see this is a food chain. Okay, I told you tiger help us to maintain the food chain in the environment. How? देखो, जो टाइगर होता है ना, टाइगर यूज टू ईट द एनिमल्स. ओके, कौन से एनिमल्स को वो खाता है? जो उसे स्मॉल एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स ट्रीज को खाते हैं, राइट? कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं, दे आर नॉट ईटिंग एनी अदर एनिमल, दे आर जस्ट ईटिंग द एनवायरमेंट, ट्रीज, फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर, दे आर ईटिंग दिस ग्रीनरी. ओके,
Like a lion. Lion don't eat grass.
I am talking the animals who eat grass. Okay, the animal who eat grass, tiger, lion and other big animal used to eat those animal. और यू नो, लायन से भी ज्यादा टाइगर दूसरे एनिमल्स को मार के खाता है. सबसे ज्यादा टाइगर खाता है देन कंपैरिजन टू लायन. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. See, this is your tiger. Okay, this is your plant. This is a tree. ट्रीज को बहुत सारे दूसरे छोटे एनिमल्स खाते हैं, लाइक यू कैन सी डॉग, कैट, गोट, दिस ऑल आर ईटिंग ट्रीज, राइट?
Elephant.
हाँ, वो एनिमल्स को वो लोग खाते हैं. ट्री, दिस एनिमल्स ईट प्लांट्स एंड ट्री. ओके, फिर वो एनिमल्स को कौन खा जाता है? जो एनिमल्स छोटे एनिमल्स हैं उनको कौन खाते हैं? बिग एनिमल्स लाइक टाइगर, lion. Okay, they used to do that, eat those animals. अगर टाइगर ये वाले एनिमल्स को नहीं खाएगा, नहीं मार के खाएगा, मतलब ही विल नॉट ईट दैट एनिमल्स, तो वो ट्रीज को नहीं खाएंगे, ट्रीज को खा जाएंगे, राइट? और अगर ये एनिमल्स अगर ट्रीज को खा जाएंगे, सारी ग्रीनरी को खा जाएंगे, तो देयर विल बी नो ग्रीनरी इन आवर वर्ल्ड. कहीं पे भी प्लांट्स आपको दिखेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि सारे एनिमल्स जो प्लांट्स खाते हैं वो तो बचे हुए हैं, नोबडी इज ईटिंग देम. सो उनकी क्वांटिटी, उनका नंबर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा और हमारे एनवायरमेंट में ग्रीनरी का क्वांटिटी कम हो जाएगी, राइट? and that going to affect us as a human being. By agar there is no more, we will not save the trees, we will not grow more trees, so there will be not going to help us. Why? Because tree help us to survive, for breathing. They gives us carbon dioxide, they gives us oxygen, even they help to maintain the level of oxygen in the circle. Okay, so tiger अगर दूसरे एनिमल्स को नहीं खाएगा तो वो यूजफुल होगा ही नहीं, and that is going to indirectly or directly affect to us. Okay, so that is why we should not kill the tigers. Tiger is very 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 important to save. I hope you understood. You can see here the triangle, you can see trees है, trees को ये सब एनिमल्स खाते हैं, जो एनिमल्स हर्बीवरस है, the one who are eating trees and plants. और वो एनिमल्स को दूसरे एनिमल्स खाते हैं, और सबको खाने वाला, सारे एनिमल्स को खाने वाला सबसे पहले कौन है? दैट इज अ टाइगर. Okay, they are eating this animals, and if you will kill tiger only, so there will be no other animals, they will eat all the greenery, and that is going to affect us. So we should save tiger, or not only for this, but as a human being we should not kill any of the living being in our world. Okay, so we should save the tiger. Now not only with that, but even we have to save other animals. Now I'm going to show you one small video. From that you can know it. It is very important to save the tiger and even the other animals.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and
Just a minute, huh, class?
confidently, so you never have to slow down at work. Instant corrections make your writing mistake-free.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
हाँ बच्चा, मैं आपको बस शेयर कर रही हूँ, जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट।
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
अभी दिख रही है?
हाँ अभी दिख रही है।
हम्म
हाँ मैम अभी दिख गई।
Okay, now who will tell me what did you understand from this video?
मैं तो सैनी मैम I understand we not kill the animals.
Yes. Anybody else wants to say anything?
Say that bye.
Yes. Okay, so what we have we can see that there is a hunter who came there, kill all the animal. Yes, Khanak.
They were killing the tiger and taking the and so we should not do.
Little bit louder, Khanak. Little bit louder.
They were killing the tiger and taking them, and we should not do that.
Yes, we should not kill any of the animals. They are killing tiger for the skin. They are killing the elephant for the teeth. Even rhino. Just they are killing the animals for their personal use, and they are earning what they are earning money. So you can see the animals are killing every day. You know, every day it is said that ki 50,000 elephant, 3 rhinos, and this type of every day the animals are killing, and we are using for our personal use. So we should stop doing that. We should not kill any of the animals. Okay, so this is what we have to learn, and we have to save save the animal, save the environment, and if we will save them both, we will be also in safer hand. Okay, now let's do the activity. As we have learned about tigers that we have to save, we are going to make a tiger today, right? Now you have a 3 ice cream sticks, right? So what you have to do, you have to stick the ice cream sticks from the 3 corners in this way, in a shape of a triangle. You have to stick it. Okay, take your 3 this ice cream and then you have to stick it.
In a plain notebook?
No need to stick in a plain notebook. You can stick it in the normal way, bacha. You can use the Fevicol and you can stick it. You have to stick the ice cream stick. Whose microphone is on? You have to stick the ice cream stick and keep it aside. साइड में रख दो उसको स्टिक करके.
And I'm done.
Who is done? Very nice, Heet. Perfect. But ये strips अंदर होनी चाहिए थी, Heet. It's okay. चलो कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, Heet. It's okay. Stick the ice cream stick in the shape of a triangle.
See, ma'am.
Like this. Okay, in the shape of a triangle. Very good. Very good, Kia. That also very nice.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, show me again.
I'll show you. I'll show you. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'll show you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Stick the ice cream stick like this. Very good, Divan. Very nice. Good. Now, what you have to do, you have to take the triangle. Okay. First of all, ice cream stick kar do, then keep it aside. Now take the triangle. Take the triangle.
किसमें स्टिक करना है?
मैम स्टिक किसी में नहीं करना, आइसक्रीम स्टिक करके रखना है. नो नीड टू स्टिक एनीवेयर एल्स.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Take the triangle, class. Take the triangle paper. Now what you have to do, you have to make the eyes. Okay. You can stick a googly eyes, or if you don't want to stick, you can draw the eyes also. I'm drawing it. You can do it in the same way. Who is crying? Danish, please mute your microphone. You have to do it in this way. In a triangle. You have to draw the eyes, nose of a tiger. Draw the eyes, nose of the tiger. And then you have to stick it, the paper. Very good, Kia. Very nice. Beautiful.
Ma'am, can you show?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show it.
Ma'am, where is the face?
Now stick the paper, triangle paper, with the ice cream stick. I'll show you how you have to do.
જીરો બનાવતા હોય ને બનાવે જો પણ શીખડાવે જો અહીંયા જો શીખડાવે
Whose microphone is on? Please keep the microphone off, class.
હા જીરો બનાવતા પછી અહીંયા ટ્રાયંગલ બનાવે
I'll stick it and I'll show you.
Ma'am, can we show?
Yes, bacha, just give me a minute. I'll show you. Can you see? You have to stick the paper and the ice cream stick. Do it in this way.
But I love to Mari.
યોગી આપણે બી ટ્રાયંગલ કરશું
Class, just a minute, just a minute. Don't do it, just a minute. Okay, that's fine. Have you stick it? Now you have to make the ears. You have to stick the ears.
Ma'am, I don't stick it.
Just a minute.
Can you? Can you show me?
Just a minute. Even I'm sticking. Let me stick and then I will show you.
See, ma'am.
Very nice. See, Kia has done. Everyone see the Kia's one? See, the Kia has done. Nice, Kia. This is the way you have to do. Shirin, what happened? Why you are crying? Don't liking it? I'll show my one also. Just give me a minute. Color the ears in between like this. Then it will look good.
Ma'am, can you show me ears?
Yes. Okay. Yes, I will show you the tiger. You can see it here. Kia, sir, see, Kia is also showing you. I was not able to stick it, so class, you can just do it in this way. Okay? Stick the ice cream stick on the triangle and then you have to stick the 2 ears.
Ma'am, in which book?
What in which book? No need to if you want to stick, you can stick it in the sound book, but no need to stick. You can keep it at your home and you can write it Safe Tiger.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are done, then you can show me. Take down your microphone.
Ma'am, can you show? You stick here.
Yes. Yeah, very beautiful.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kia. Very nice, Hime. Very nice. Perfect, Hime. Good. See, Hime is also done. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, Danish. Good. Shivin? Nice. Perfect. Good. Okay. Nice, Prayag. Nice. Prayag, you can write Safe Tiger also. You have stick it in a paper then. Fine. Very nice, Laksh. Good. Class, if you are done, then please show me. Everyone, please show me. Vedika, why you are standing, bacha?
मैम ईयर्स कैसे चिपकाने हैं?
Ma'am, see your tiger.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I'll show you.
Ma'am, दिखाई.
ओके.
Yes, Shlok, what you want to say?
Ma'am, your tiger.
Shiren and Kia, please show me yours.
Ma'am, I'm.
Prayag, show me yours, bacha. Prayag, show me yours. Prayag, properly, bacha. Near by the camera. Near by the camera.
yours ऐसे बनाना.
Very nice. Himay, show me yours. Paki.
Your tiger see.
Very nice. Yes, Paki. Very nice. Huh? नहीं समझ में आया बच्चा. What you are saying? अच्छा, देखना है आपको पिक्चर. ओके. So here we are done with our class today. Okay. Khanak, very nice, very cute, like you. Nice, Khanak. Khanak, show me once.
Why is one natural? Why natural?
Okay, class. Very good. Shiven, Kia, Khanak, Prayag, Paki, Himay, Danish. Danish, you have not shown me. Nivan, oh, very nice, Nivan. Nivan, show me once again near the camera. Good. So here ma'am is ending our class. Okay, bacha? Now the one who has to attend reading class, they will stay here. Others can leave.